Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Yes, I'm doing an unboxing on another awesome camping fan. This is an 8-inch one, nice and big and bright. Check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the unboxing. Hey gang, and welcome back to another episode of your review channel. And yes, we're back down in the workbench and we're talking about another awesome camping fan that I received in the mail, and I want to do a quick review on it. And this camping fan, I've done a couple different ones in the past, but this one here I like a little bit better. It's a little bit bigger. It's a big fan, so it's not the small one. It's a good size fan. It's model number ML-F001. I'll leave some link down below, so hopefully you can find this fan here exactly. You can see the design about this fan. It's a nice round circular fan. It has a LED light built into it, also a hook. So it's swivel, it can sit in the desk. It's a big fan. I like about this fan. It's a 1,000 milliamp hour battery, which is really big. Desktop use, which is kind of cool. I like that. 5-blade and low noise. We'll check that out in a minute. 36 LED lights. We'll check out how bright that is as well. Security chip. I don't know what that means. 180-degree rotation can be adjusted at multiple angles. That's what it says on the box. And let's see what else we have here. USB-C charge. I like that. Nice fast charge. That's important too. Let's see what else we have. Okay, let's take a look at it. Open up the box. Let's take a look at the fan. Let's take a look at it in the box and see what we have. First impressions is packed pretty well. Standard configuration, some bubble inside the packing. Let's pull this out. And what I like about this fan, like I said before, it's a good size fan. It's not small. And here's the box here. You can see. We'll put that to the side. And let's take a look what's inside the package. And open this up. Okay, so we have an instruction manual. Okay, here's the fan here. And you can see here, this fan is a good size fan. I like the look of this fan. It has a little stand on it. Let's take a look at it here. Here is the rotation of the stand. Here is the hook. So you can hook this outside. If you're camping. You can see the hook, just like that. Has a 1,000 milliamp battery. Here is the Usbc charger in the back here. You can see that right there. We'll plug that in a minute. It did come charged. Let's see how much. So we are at 50%, and it has 3 different settings for that. 3 different speed settings for the fan. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 and 3. So 3 lights, 3 settings for the lights, and 3 settings for the fan. USB-C in the back. And let's take a look at this here. So kind of cool. So you can see the angle, how you can set it at a pitch so it can face you. I like that a lot. You can hang this fan from your tent if you're outside. You can see that. We'll take a look at the brightness in a minute. Stay tuned to that. And let's see what else is in that box here. And we do have the USB-C cable that did come in the package. And I love these fans, so I do a lot of these reviews on different kind of camping materials, camping tents, fans, and so forth. So really kind of cool to see another one of these fans. What I like about this fan, I have to say up front, is that I like the big fan. The small ones are cool. I like them. But sometimes it gets really hot and muggy out and you need more airflow. They're just too small. So this is a really big one. You can see that the circumference here. Let's just see how big this fan is here. So let's take a quick measurement here. So this is approximately an 8-inch fan. Some of them you buy, the other ones that I've seen are 4 inches. So this is a lot more. This is the average size, 4 to 5, maybe 6 inches, I think. The average ones. This is an 8-inch. So you got much more airflow from the fan. That's really important. Let's take a look at the instructions real quick. It's the instruction manual. It's just very simple and easy to use. It shows you about the hook. The handles, where the batteries, it's a sealed battery, so it cannot be changed. It's a USB-C, so it's a fast charging, which is very important. Let's see. So power output is 7.5 watts. Battery life, 6-20 hours. So between 6 and 20 hours of battery time out of this. Battery capacity is 1,000 milliamps. Port charged USB-C. Speeds high, medium, low, and yada yada yada. So you can take a look at this when you get it and gives you all the information. So it's an 8-inch fan, USB-C cord, 1 manual. That's what's in the box. So 1 piece of paper, basic stuff. So we're looking at the fan. So what do we have? We have a nice piece of plastic, decent quality, medium grade, not super heavy duty, but medium grade fan, medium grade plastic, I would say. I like the flexibility of it. You can see it kind of locks into place. I like that it hangs. That is cool. I like that a lot. So let's just take a look at this and just see how it. Let's do the sound test first. Okay, let's do that first. Let's do it on low. And I will put the microphone down so we can actually all hear it together. So we'll move this out here. We're going to put it on low. This is the test. So that is low. And I'm telling you, that on low, This is throwing off some serious air. I'm telling you right now. Serious air coming out of this fan. Medium. Definitely is quiet, I have to tell you. But I like the way it sounds. And the airflow, again, is fantastic. I hope you can hear that air blowing. Super pushing a lot of air. And there we go. And that's on high. And that's off. Okay? Here's the light, low. Medium, high. See that? Off. Low, medium, high, off. Do it again. Low, medium, high, off. And the light. Low, medium, high. And you can have the light and the fan on at the same time. And with a 1,000 milliamp battery, you can get a lot of power out of this. Okay, so let's shut that down. Let's take a look at this. So let's shut the lights off and just take a look how bright the light is. That's another thing I like to look at. I'm going to do these tests. I cannot see a thing. Okay, so now let's put the light on. So that's the fan. Can't see. Right again. Okay, so there's the low, medium, and high. So again, it's hard to see because the light's like blowing in your eyes. So that's on high. So let's just take a look at this light here. Let me just hang it right over here. So you can see here, I'm getting quite a bit of light, and that's on high. All right, you can see that. That's actually pretty bright, I have to say. That's really super bright. Okay, let's try it off. Let's try low. So this is your low. You can see here. All right, and let's do the next one up. Here's your medium. And there's your high. So this illuminates quite a bit. So if you're out camping, more than enough light, more than enough fresh air. All in all, not a bad quality build. Put the light back on so we can see, guys. 1 second. Let's put the lights on, and here we go. So yeah, so more than enough light. Like I said, it's gonna run for hours and hours. You're gonna get plenty of airflow. I do like the fan configuration. It's got the small vent here, so little fingers won't get inside the fan. That's really important, okay, guys? Very important. If you're camping, if we got little kids, they can't get their fingers in here. Really super safe. I like that. That's a really important safety feature. Can't get your fingers on the side here. That's important. That's really important. The only suggestion I would say that the build itself, this locking, how this locks back on the locking mechanism could be a little bit tighter. So it's a little bit loose, but I guess, if you're using it, as long as it doesn't break, it's fine. It seems to be okay so far. And it's the charger. You just plug in your USB, USB-C in the back here. Yep, USB-C, and then you plug it in the wall. Any standard charger will work. Charge it back up. So it came in 50% charged. I've been using it for a while, testing it, and so far, so good. It's holding up really, really well. So I don't see any issues with that. Safety-wise, I like it. Construction-wise, I'd give it maybe a 7 or 8 out of 10. It's not bad. The plastic is really good quality. The light is good, and the fan throws off a ton of air. I just wish this would be a little bit better, a little bit stiffer on this here. But other than that, not bad at all. Definitely would buy this fan. I definitely would, because it's a big fan. I like the big flow fan because it's the bigger airflow. Because when you get that airflow and you're out camping, and it's like sometimes it gets hot, and you need some more airflow. And I think this is really probably a really good. Here, let me see. Yeah, that's really blowing on me. That's awesome. And it's pretty quiet. Actually, really is pretty quiet. I like that. Cut that off. And the light works great too. All right, guys, any questions at all, leave down below. Any questions, anything you want me to answer for you on this specific fan, or any or all my videos on my channel. I have a ton of different videos with a ton of different reviews. This is what I do here. So if you want me to take a look at some of your products, let me know. If there's something that you want me to look at and review for you, let me know. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know it's super important to me. It helps my channel grow and helps me do what I do, so I can continue helping you make the decisions that you want to do. And that's what it's all about. So that's what it is about, guys. All right, so don't forget that notification bell as well. There'll be a notification bell, so you'll be notified when the next video is ready. And please consider sponsoring my channel. There's a Patreon link in the bottom of here on the page. I do appreciate that as well. If you have anything you can help out my channel, it does help me out, so I can continue helping out. I put all the money that I receive back into the channel, buying equipment and doing reviews, and just help building my brand, so I can continue helping you with your decision making in the future. And that's it for me. All right, guys, as always, I appreciate your time as I always do. And check out this camping fan. I'll leave a link down below for this specific one. And if you have any other questions, if you have any other concerns or comments, leave in below in the field in the box below, and I will get back to you ASAP. And don't forget to consider also joining my channel. I have a little link in the bottom that you can do that as well, and I will really be grateful as well. Okay, guys, until the next time, and I'll see you at the next review.